I'm Kaylee, and this is one of the most expensive book hauls of my entire life. I am not known to be shy when it comes to opening up the old wallet to buy books, but this time I really outdid myself. I lost my head a little bit and spent quite a bit of money on books. Before we dive into how much I spent and what I spent it on, be sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you have ever spent a little bit too much on books. And follow me over on Instagram and Goodreads and all the places. So I was very blessed last month, in the month of April, to have some extra work. I'm a pianist and I was invited to play piano for 3 extra events in the month of April, which means that I had an extra $300 of income in April. So what to do with $300 in your budget? Did I put it in savings like a responsible adult? Did I invest the money like some sort of financial type person? Of course not. Of course not. I spent the money feeding my book addiction, naturally. And here we are. Here are the results. This massive, huge package from Amazon full of books. And you know what? No regrets, okay? This box of books is about to bring me so much joy, it is worth the money. All right, let's dive in and see what we've got. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna cry out of pure happiness. Okay. Oh boy. Lots of paper. More paper. This is getting to be ridiculous. Okay. So first of all, I bought a box set of Ouran High School Host Club. It even has a little handle on the top. This is all volumes 1 through 18. And then we have a smaller box. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Okay, here we go. Where's my scissors? Oh, it's so beautiful. I bought all 12 volumes of Fruits Basket. Volume 11, looks like they're all in here backwards. Volume 10, they're so beautiful. Here we go. Ah, so pretty. I am insanely excited. This looks so fabulous. Okay, time for a little bit of backstory. I have read Ouran High School Host Club before. I got them from the library the last time that I read them. But I've been thinking about buying them for myself because I know I'm gonna want to reread them at some point, probably several times. So I decided, you know what? It is just time to treat myself to a little something nice. Get this plastic off. Okay, it looks like the top has Velcro or something. There is just something about these characters that I just keep coming back to over and over. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful it is. All 18 volumes. And I saw this on the website. It comes with like a little memo pad. Isn't that cute? It has a little memo pad that it comes with. All right, let's take a look at volume 1. And we have Haruhi on the cover. Fabulous. Oh my goodness, I just want to dive in right now and start reading. This series is kind of my guilty pleasure. Like, I know it's kind of dorky and silly, and I just don't care. I just adore these characters and their screwball antics. And now I have the whole beautiful box set. Oh, this makes me so happy. I can't wait to put this up on my shelves. This just fills me with so much joy. It's so beautiful. I just want to stare at it. I just want to stare at it for a little while and just enjoy the gorgeousness. This was the one where I kind of lost my head. I just saw it was on sale and I was just like, but I have to have it. But I need it in my life. You know what? Worth every penny because it brings me joy. All right, originally when I went shopping online, it was to buy the Fruits Basket series because I'm planning on reading these for the 30 books in 30 days in September. So I went shopping for Fruits Basket and ended up also buying Ouran High School Host Club. So our first volume has Toru on the cover. I love these collector's editions. They're so beautiful. So the collector's editions have 2 volumes in one. for each volume. So instead of there being like 24 volumes or 23 volumes or whatever it is, then there's only 12 of the collector's editions. On the second volume, we have Yuki and Kyo on either side. Delightful. Okay, then volumes 3 and 4. So it's just, you know, featuring all the different characters on each of these. I mean, these covers are just so pretty. So much pretty. Okay, then volumes 5 and 6. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love these characters. Now I'm looking like, oh, I love him, and oh, I love her, and oh my goodness, this character, I just love him. Oh man, okay, I'm getting really overexcited. I need to like calm down or my blood pressure is gonna go crazy or something. Oh my goodness, I love these characters. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Oh, this is one of my favorite characters right here. I love all these guys. And then we've already kind of seen volumes 10 and 11 and 12. Yep, so 12 volumes altogether. I just love how colorful these are. Like, aren't these pretty? But then the actual cover itself is just a plain white background. Like, I really like it. It's colorful, but also kind of minimalistic. So I really love that design. It's just so beautiful. So Fruits Basket is another one where I have already read it. In fact, I think I've read it twice, if I'm remembering correctly. Because one time I got them all from the library, and then the next time I borrowed them from one of my friends that has the whole series. I was actually talking with my friend at book club last week, and I was saying how I wanted to reread Fruits Basket for the 30 Books in 30 Days readathon. And I was thinking about buying them, and she said, oh, do you want to just borrow mine? Because I had borrowed them from her before. And I said, no, I think I want to buy them for myself. Like, this is another series where I just know I'm going to continue to reread it over the years. And so it's a sound investment. See, I'm very financially savvy. It's a sound investment to purchase them for my own shelves. I have also watched the anime for both of these multiple times. So these are stories that I already know that I really, really love and enjoy. And you know what? Manga is expensive. I count myself lucky that I found these on sale. I mean, these ended up being only about 12 bucks per book, which is a really good deal for manga. Both of these series have absolutely beautiful artwork and delightful characters and fun plot lines. So I know that I will continue to enjoy them for many years to come. I just want to dive in and read them right now, but with Fruits Basket, I have to save these up for the 30 Books in 30 Days readathon. So I just have to like hold off a little while on these. But, or on High School Host Club, I don't have a specific readathon in mind for these, so maybe I could dive into these right away. I haven't quite made up my mind yet. I have so many other books on my TBR, and it's like, okay, where are we gonna fit these in? Please leave me a comment and let me know, what books did you spend way too much money on, but no regrets because it just made you so happy? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem because this is the manga section right up to here. And as you can see, there's no room. And we need several feet of extra room for things. So I'm gonna have to do some rearranging. And there's no room. What am I gonna do? Oh, goodness. Okay. We might have to rethink some things on these shelves. And there's shelves over here as well. We're just gonna have to move some things around and figure out something. Yeah, because there's no room. Okay, I figured it out. A bunch of stuff that was over there, we moved it over there, and stuff that was over there, we moved it over there, and now we have a new manga section where everything fits. Crisis averted, and everything fits in just like it should. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, the right books in the right hands at the right time can change the world.